Switch on the cameras. Sana, make it fast. Sana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I mean,
But I can't see you. Why? Is there any problem? So let's start with our new lesson. The chapter, Sana. Okay? Everything okay? Okay. So let's start. This is our last unit, the unit 4. We already finished 3 units. This is our last unit, unit 4, health and wellness. Sorry, the unit 4, that name is adulthood. Adulthood. So the chapter 24, that is health and wellness. Health and wellness. Okay, 24. How many chapters left, Sana?
3.
So you are almost there to complete the +1. From March onwards, what happened? From March onwards, what happened?
+2 is going to start.
+2. The seniors, right? The seniors in Raju Davis International School. Wow.
Is
Within
it
3,
online classes? No?
due to the situation, I don't know about that. So, healthy person. Who is a healthy person? Meghna, who is a healthy person?
Those who can do everyday activities without any problem.
Yeah, those who those who can do all the activities without any problem, not without the fatigue, without any fatigueness. Okay, we already learned that in the nutrition chapter, right? Now nutrition chapter. Okay, so here the healthy persons are those who are physically fit. They should be physically fit and they should be active. They should be active, fit. Reina, it's a new lesson, chapter 24, health and wellness. Okay, then they should be cheerful throughout the day and then what else? They have the immunity, right? They should have the immunity to fight against the diseases, then not easily fatigued, right? All these comes under a healthy person. Then only we can call a person as a healthy. A person who's fit, a person who's cheerful throughout the day, a person who can do all the activities without any fatigue, and then should have the adequate immunity. That's very important. Adequate immunity to fight against the illness or various diseases. Reina, please switch on the camera. Okay. So, uh, there is a simple indicator to find out as a person is healthy or not. A simple indicator, that is BMI. What is this, Sana? BMI. What is this?
Body mass index.
Body mass index. So a simple indicator is a BMI that is commonly used to check a person's weight is appropriate for his or her height. So what is BMI? The BMI is used to calculate the height. Is it okay with the weight? Okay. So this is a simple indicator that is commonly used to check a person's weight is appropriate for his or her weight. Okay, that is BMI. Sana and Reina, get ready with a calculator or a phone for doing the problems. Okay, get ready with another phone or a calculator. The calculating the BMI. This is a sure question. Okay. Calculate the BMI of a person with 50 kg and 160 centimeter. What is the equation for BMI, Reina? Equation for body mass index. Reina?
Height in meters,
Hmm?
weight in kilogram.
Weight in kilogram. Okay. So weight here or here? Hmm? Fine, fine. It should be used to check the a person's weight is appropriate to the height. That's right. Weight in kg and height in meters. That's right. Meghna, what is the equation of BMI?
Weight by height square.
Weight in kg by height
Height
in
meters.
meter, meter square. Okay. So calculate. Take a sheet of paper and calculate. Can I make it fast? Don't waste time.
Ma'am,
Yes.
my weight and height.
No, this is a question for you. Calculate the BMI of a person with 50 kg and the calculate the BMI of a person with 50 kg and 160 centimeter height. Calculate the BMI. This is a question. And this is the equation for calculating the BMI. This 160 and 50 are the values. So complete the calculation. Make it fast. Take a sheet of paper and calculate and send a picture to me now. Raina, any doubts? Need to repeat? Any problem?
Ma'am,
Yes,
centimeter.
centimeter. So you have to convert the centimeter into meters.
160 by 100.
Yes, right. Make it fast and send a picture to my WhatsApp number. Full mark for Meghna. Very good. Your calculations are right. Very good. Now it's clear, Meghna.
Ma'am got
Yes,
51.6.
51.6.
Yeah.
Send the calculation to my number. Take a
Now.
picture and yeah, yes. Meghna already sent.
Ma'am, I don't have my phone now.
Fine, fine. What about your calculations? Just read.
Ma'am, I did it with my calculator.
Okay.
Should I share screen? I did in my computer.
Okay.
Ma'am, you should enable share screen.
The sure question. Don't lose the mark. Read. Read, Reena.
What are the steps I used?
Yes.
First, I converted a centimeter into meters by 100. I got 1.6.
Okay. 1.6. Right.
Then I divided it 50.
Which means 50 by 1.6. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's your answer?
51.6.
51.6.
6. That's all.
What's the answer?
51.
51. Right?
Yeah.
Just do it once again. 50 by 1.6. What's the value? 50 by 1.6. Sana, right answer. Very good. Sana? Right answer. Good. Fifty by 1.6. Reena.
Thirty-one point
31.25.
25.
Good. Okay, this is right. Any missing? Reena, please switch on your camera. This is your calculation, right? Any difference from this equation and this? Any difference? Any change? Take time and then cross check. Reena? Any difference with this equation? This is our equation to find the BMI. What's the mistake? Reena?
Meter square.
Right, meter square. So 50 divided by 1.6 square. Clear now? First, this is the value 160 centimeter. You divide the 160 by 100. That is 1.6. That's right. That's okay. Then the height in meter. Now this height is in meter, in square. So 50 divided by 1.6 into 1.6. Calculate. Reena.
One point in 1.6 into 1.6 is equal to 2.56.
Okay. Ena? That's the value. No calculator, Reena?
Ma'am, I'm doing in my laptop. It's not it's kind of difficult to type. It's in the
Just take a piece of pen and paper and do. 50 divided by 2.56. Either use your Google calculator. Sana and Meghna, what about their BMI? Is it underweight, normal, overweight, or obese? Sana, take the page number 282 and just check, is it underweight, normal, overweight, or obese?
Normal
Normal,
weight.
normal weight. Meghna, is it right?
Yes.
Good. Right now. No problem, take time. Everyone is different. No issues. Yes.
19.531.
19.5. Fine. 19.5. So it's belong to normal weight. BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. So by heart this values. Okay. Underweight. The BMI less than 18.5 is considered as an underweight. In my case, I think it's 17, my BMI. So it's underweight. So I'm not a healthy person. I belong to a underweight category. Okay. Is it clear? Then, so less than 18.5, that is underweight. What about normal? By heart these values. Okay. Normal weight. It's from 18.5. Starting from this value, 18.5 to 24.9. So here it's normal weight, 18.5 to 24.9. That is normal weight. Then what about overweight? Overweight and obese is different. It's two categories. Here the overweight is from the next value. After 24.9, it's 25. So 25 to 29.9. Okay. So 18.5, 24.9, 29.9. Okay. The last category, that is obese. BMI is 30 or more. 30 or more. This is the BMI category. It's very important. The sure question, calculate the BMI and categorize according to the value.
Ma'am, how many
Yes.
marks?
3 or 4. You can easily score the marks. Right. Just calculate the values and whether it's just identify it's belong to an underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. Okay, that's it. So underweight means less than 18.5. Normal, that is 18.5 to 24.9. Between 18.5 to 24.9. Overweight 25 to 29.9. Obese 30 plus. Okay. First, you just learn this value. Underweight. Underweight means less than 18.5. Less than 18.5. Underweight. Sana, what about underweight?
Above 30.
Underweight.
Underweight is less than 18.5.
18.5. Less than 18.5. Underweight, 18.5. Above 30, that is obese.
Base.
Below 18.5, underweight. Above 30, obese. Okay? Meghna? Reina? What is the normal BMI? Yes, Meghna.
It's what the meaning of obese? Like
Obese, which means they with more amount of fat in their body, overweight. Hmm? Some persons are lifespan tips for adults to be healthy. Page number 282, the last one, last point.
eat breakfast every day. People who breakfast are less likely to overeat later in the day. Choose whole grains. Select a mix of colorful vegetables and fruits every day. Avoid sugar, sweetened drinks, and desserts. Take low fat milk and cheese. Use very less fats and oils. Cutting portions in half to lose weight. Drink lots of water. Take a walk after dinner. Get plenty of sleep.
Certain tips for a healthy person or a healthy adult. Okay. Lifespan tips for adults to be healthy. Any doubts? Any doubts in BMI? No?
Ma'am,
Yes,
for
yes,
for the practical,
yes.
that cooking, no, I just made a salad. It's fine, no, ma'am.
Salad.
Salad.
Fine. Fine. No problem. I'm going to end the meeting. Okay. Time's up. Thank you.